All right, well, we are rocking through our hump day. It's been cooler today. Northwest winds blowing. We have some fast passing, moderate to heavy showers briefly. And look at the heat building in the central and southern plains. And where we have these air masses clashing, the cold blue air in the 30s and this warm stuff down to the 80s and 90s in the south, more central plain storms that have been strong to severe today. And in fact, even our snow showers that are quick hitting, having some vertical extent to the clouds that we typically see more often in the summer months. 41 right now out at Hector, that wind gusting to 36 miles per hour, but it's no match for Hutch's hairspray. 39 degrees right now in Grand Forks, 33 Bemidji. It's a little cool out there, and our winds are still gusting over 43 miles per hour in Jamestown. Minot's been hitting near 50 miles per hour for the last few hours. As mentioned earlier, a couple of bolts of lightning showing up north of Langdon. Look at the batch of snow here. Things thinning out just a little bit as we head into the evening hour, and that's what typically takes place as the sun begins to set on the day. It becomes a little quieter. We're seeing Lakes Country starting to see things break up just a bit, but still a smattering of quick-hitting, fast-moving shots of flakiness in the northwest portion of our viewing area. There's that severe weather I was talking about from south of St. Louis all the way down towards Raleigh, North Carolina. Your forecast for tonight: northwest winds continue. It's going to be breezy. We might get a little bit of a reprieve as we go through the early overnight, but I do think it'll be gusty for most of the night. And our model does bring back a chance for some more passing snow showers during the early morning hours, pre-dawn. As we go through the day tomorrow, more of the same northwest winds, and they will be strong, 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts higher than that at times. Similar to today, we'll be stuck in the 30s for much of the day, though. So the coldest day of the period coming for your Thursday. By late in the day, we start to see things quieting down, but only a pinch. So breezy all day. Temperatures that'll be mostly in the 30s throughout. Passing showers cannot be ruled out, particularly early in the day. Here's a beautiful shot here by the Dahlin Lutheran Church out there in North Dakota. Mary capturing that under that full pink moon. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Friday, it does get better, Mike, 47 degrees. We'll see a lot less of that air in a hurry. As we go through the weekend, we're expecting a good start. Temperatures in the 40s, but then a hiccup in the atmosphere brings a slight chance of some precipitation late on Saturday and a chance for us to cool down as we celebrate our Easter Sunday. 30s for much of next week. We're watching our river levels, particularly up in the northern valley and really north of Fargo. There are some areas that are seeing things rising up. Now, with the cooler weather, you'd think that'd slow things down, but looking at cameras along the area, we have a lot of the ground that is now void of snow, and a lot of that water that we've melted the last few days is on its way to the river channels. Good news in Fargo and many of our southern valley rivers and tributaries, Mike. We reached that first crest. It is going to go back up as we go through the next few days, but not reaching major stage here in Fargo. So some good signs there. We have some room in our southern Red River Valley.
And it doesn't sound like we've got any major precipitation coming.
It looks pretty quiet for the next 7 days.
That's good. Thanks.
You bet.